Position Kelvin Singh Taurem in the left wing as well as
11 of Bangladesh along with the substitute bench. Now this was the occasion where these two players got themselves injured.
Kevin Das, Yashudarshan. Kevin Das with a set piece here, could be an opportunity, could be a chance there. Kipken.
In the dying seconds of the match.
A good run there by Kelvin in the left wing. Trying to find Evan Das. Evan Das controlling the momentum of the game here from the left-hand side. India trying to attack. Malengamba Tokchom was there across inside the box. All inside the box but couldn't connect properly. Guru.
The problem here with the Bangladesh defense is they're allowing too much of space for the Indian players. Only for the defense.
That was quite a statement there by Avash. A little. Get the ball with them. Kipken with an excellent through ball to the right. Gugamsher Goyari cuts it back. Nobody. An excellent change towards Koru. A good pass there. Gugamsher Goyari. Excellently stopped there by the goalkeeper. Once again, it's Kipken. Ricky Mete Hobam trying to find an angle to cross. Ricky. Sandwich between the two Bangladeshi defenders. Oh, what a... Another cross there. Could be dangerous for the Indian goalkeeper. Priyansh Dubey. Easily collect combinations in between. Oh, look at this boy. Gugamsher Goyari is released in the right wing. Gugamsher Goyari is a bit late there. Once again in the right flank to take this corner. Kipken with a lob ball inside the box here. A clearance there by Rustom. Again, India will try to go forward. A long ranger. Oh, that was almost in. Shrabon.
The goalkeeper doing a fine job, but tell me about it, Abhinav. Guru Singh, what a long ranger. Right on the money, as they say. Was on target.
Malengamba across inside the box. Could be an opportunity, but the goalkeeper comes forward to collect it. Bangladesh now trying to hit India on the break from the left.
Attack being built here.
Ashadul Shakib with the cross inside the box. Could be dangerous here for the Indian defense. With the chance now to the left winger, Robbie Rahul. With a couple of step overs. Robbie with the cross. A good cross there. But no... Excellent production going on here, Avash.
Well, it's not easy to spot one particular person out there in the crowd. Especially the VIP side, which is jam-packed.
Mirajul with a good cross. Oh, that was not a good pass, but then again, Kelvin gets the ball. Kelvin cutting it in here. Kelvin! Straight into the hands of the goalkeeper, Shrabon.
All the way to Kelvin, but still could have done some extra work there. Kelvin had some room with himself.
Robbie Rahul, a good touch there, beats the defender. Robbie with the shot. Opportunity and a goal. Goal there for Bangladesh. Fox in the box there. Sadul Molla with the goal for Bangladesh.
And the right angle, we can see that once again in slow motion. Just look at the finish. It wasn't difficult. He had to improvise, but credits to Robbie Rahul. He took the ball, he beat the defender and making no mistake. Ashadul Molla, who has come into this game, has scored a goal for his team.
Across there, could be a chance there for India. Deflection and a... Mirajul Islam, Robbie with the cross. Could be a chance there for Bangladesh. And now, Ebinda. Mirajul Islam trying to go forward. He gets the ball. It's a fall already. Therefore, the Indian team.
There by Mirajul Islam was pushing the opposition in the follow-through.
Malengamba Kipken. Malengthan Kipken with a through ball there. Gogamsher Goyari is there. Gogamsher Goyari had the opportunity.
To be very honest, just look at that. He could have gone, pressed the trigger, but allowed the defender to cross himself.
Ebindas Yashudashan. Ebindas with a through ball here. Could be an opportunity for India. And it's already ruled out for a...
That was good enough. You can see that again. Tried to go for the spectacular, and what a goal would it have been if you would... Once again, Ravi Rahul. Good footwork there by the number 10. Still on the ball. Take again by Ashadul Molla. Feeding it to his teammate, Mohammad P.S. Nova from the flank now. Ashadul Molla. Good take, good touch. Cross, and that is a wonderful save by Ricky Mehti Habam.
Position, a good build up there by the Bangladeshi players. We can see Chandan Roy setting up Piyush Nova. Maybe he was trying a cross there, for that matter.
Kelvin from the left flank now. Kelvin still on the ball, beating the defender. Wonderful pass, and that just glances in front of the goal. The goal scorer in the previous game for India.
Kipken with the first time shot, trying to curve it in the first bar. Malengthan Kipken with his left foot as we...
Now on the ball and on the attack. Wonderful pass, wonderful take. India can go level, but that goes wide. Koru Singh all...
India's dreams here. Koru Singh Taurem. This should have been in for India. You can see that Koru Singh was trying to find the net in the second.
Day is the defense. Wonderful air ball. This can be a goal for India. Kelvin, another big chance goes begging for India.
Surely, India have been quite dominating in the possession. They have created the chances, but they have not been.
Oh, this can be dangerous. India can level the game, but only win.
Gangte with the effort. He could have gone either side, but he went straight there into the hands of the goalkeeper. He shot. And this pass into the left-hand side. Kelvin.
Kelvin on the ball, looking for some jerseys, and again, Kelvin.
As you can see, Kelvin could have opted to go for the second bar. He had the chance here. It should have gone for the second bar.
Pass. Can he do it? Oh, it strikes the post on the wrong side. Goes out. What a chance for India again. This time it was a low ball into the goal. They're knocking on the door.
Gangte was the one. He has been the one who's trying to create some chances. He was trying to cut back. Or was he?
Moving forward, the Indian side. Not the best of touches, but that might just do it. Oh, that's clear.
What a moment there for India. Gogamsher Goyari did everything right, but it was Topu who had the final say for the Bangladeshi setup here. Cleared from the line, almost closed.
For India, when comes in, still not cleared from the danger. Goalkeeper comes forward and grabs the ball. Early action for Mohammad Asif.
7 fouls committed by India.
The first action for the player coming in. Oh, that's a shot. India, and they do it! Against all odds, it is Ricky Mehti Habam, the captain.
To them, and this was courtesy of the changes they made. Gangte was the one involved. And this was not that much of a good clearance, but then again, Nova Mehti setting up a sitter there for the number 5, Parambir, who slots it in with a fine finish, the left footer.
This was the goal that came out from the player.
It is Ricky Mehti.
Of going for the goal, putting that. That's a header, not quite good. The captain heads the ball in, and that has been another chance It's appeal for a handball. No, says everyone, and there's two players versus Gangte. What's it gonna be? Where is he gonna shoot? And that has been blocked.
He kisses the heavens, the goalkeeper. Quite rightly so. Excellently stopped there by the goalkeeper against whom he scored. Piyush Nova now. And Piyush scores it.
Oh, that one was cool.
Moinul Islam with an opportunity here to take Bangladesh up front. And a save and a goal.
At the moment, Guari takes it clean.
Could be this. Shakil!
Mohammad Asif do it once again. He's done it before. Mohammad Asif. Oh, that is a... That is an easy shot. That is an advantage.
Bangladesh, he has to score this. Otherwise, India are out of the tournament from the semi-finals. Akash Tirke! Bangladesh are off to the final stage of this tournament. The Bengal Tigers show their worth and they are on to the final. The Indian players are disappointed, but look at the joy of the Bangladeshi players.
Mohammad Asif once again standing solid behind, in front of the post, does it again for his team. And as we said earlier, we are going to see a new champion.